Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. So today in this video I will tell you how we can use our Android phone as a webcam with your Linux operating system. So basically to use our Android phone as a webcam, so we need to install one application into our Linux operating system as well as an Android phone. So we need to search Irian application on a Google or Brave search engine. So basically this is the application which we need to install on our Linux operating system as well as on Android phone. So basically this is their official website, and here you can see we need to install it for Ubuntu. If your operating system support RPM file, then you need to download RPM file, and my operating system is Pop! OS. So basically Pop! OS is based on Ubuntu operating system. So basically I can install .db file. See, my downloading is started, so it's downloaded. And after that I need to install this application into my system. Right click and I need to go to detail, Cosmic Store. Let me open it. So here we can see install button, so I need to click on this install button. Then you need to enter your password. Now this application successfully installed into our system. Let me check into apps. So here I can see, so you need to open this application. Now we need to move to our Android screen. So basically there we need to install this same app on our Android phone. Let me switch to Android screen. Now I am on my Android phone screen. So first of all we need to open Play Store, and in Play Store we need to search this app application name, Irian. And this application you need to install into your phone. So I have already installed this application. Let me update it. So you guys can see this application I have installed successfully into my system. So basically I will use this application wirelessly. So basically to connect my phone and laptop, so I will don't use any USB cable. I will use my mobile phone as a webcam wirelessly. So basically I will connect this application wirelessly. So we need to connect this application on same Wi-Fi network. So this is my Wi-Fi network, and my laptop also connected on a same Wi-Fi, you guys can see. And after installing this application we need to open this application, allow. So now in my laptop screen you guys can see. Now we can use our mobile phone, Android phone, as a webcam. See, and let me open Team application. Not just let me open Google Meet. So there I need to start new meeting, start instant meeting. So here I need to give permissions. So here I can select my camera. So here you guys can see In my Teams meeting or Google Meets, I can use my mobile phone as a webcam. So basically I have not connected any wire to my laptop. See, so this is it for this video. So in this video I have explained you how we can use our Android phone wirelessly with our Linux operating system. So if you want me to create a video on Mac as well, let me know. So mention in the comment. I will also make a video how we can use our iPhone as a webcam with Linux operating system. I will also make video on that. So this is it for this video. Thanks for watching.